began to shift and die to my old self. And I began to catch myself in those old thoughts. And so when those old thoughts came in of fear and scarcity, and this is, going to happen or that's going to happen, I used to think to myself, and it was taught to me, to think of yourself as, think of that old self as a child and you're driving a car. And this helped me. You can visualize this however you want. But we're basically creating a rift in time and reality, and we're taking this old Dylan and killing him off. And we're taking this new Dylan and ideas and moving forward. But I used to think of myself as a child in the car. And that old Dylan in the back as the child, and he's fearful. And he's scared. And I'm sure that has a lot to do with my upbringing, right? And he's trying to survive. And he's fighting everyone and everything. Well, Dylan, chapter 39, the new Dylan, the new identity, would speak to him in my mind and say, so anytime those thoughts came up of being alone, of being destitute, of being scared, of having to fight, I used to say to the old Dylan, I used to say to myself, it's okay. I used to talk to the old self in my mind, and it didn't take me very long. It only took me a few months of doing this, actually. It happened very quickly, the transformation. But I used to talk to that child Dylan, that fearful Dylan, that survival Dylan. And I used to say, like I was a parent, like I was talking to my son. How would I talk to my son who was scared? How would I talk to my, at the time, maybe 6-year-old or 5-year-old son that daddy's here, it's going to be okay? The wiser Dylan, the smarter Dylan, the more in control Dylan, the more loving Dylan. And I used to talk to that Dylan in the back seat, that old identity, and say, it's okay. I'm here. I'm in control. You're safe. Thank you for protecting me all of these years. Thank you for that survival mind and that survival consciousness protecting me, but we're here now. I'm an adult now. And I appreciate you keeping me alive, and I appreciate you making me hustle and survive, but we don't need to do that anymore. I'm here now. The new Dylan's here now. And you're going to be okay. I'm going to protect you. And that was my version of killing off the old identity. And then I would say to myself, anytime a loop came up, I would say to myself in my mind, one of my things I used to believe is I wasn't lucky. I just went through life and I had all this bad luck. And now I say to myself, no, it doesn't come up too often anymore, but it still does, right? I'm just like all of you. So I might say to myself, and I do say to myself, no, that was the old Dylan. We put him in the back seat, or we killed him off, however you want to envision it, right? That old Dylan doesn't exist anymore. The new Dylan is lucky. Because see, if you believe you're unlucky, you will be unlucky, right? And so no, the new Dylan, this is the work in creating a new identity. The new Dylan is lucky. And you begin to have these conversations with yourself. So when thoughts come up of, I always have to struggle, life is always so hard. No, remind yourself, that's the old Dylan, or the old John, or the old Marie, or the old whatever, whoever you are watching this. The new Dylan doesn't have to struggle anymore, doesn't have to fight anymore. I don't have those beliefs anymore. I've abandoned those beliefs because they don't serve me. I'm now aware that those beliefs are the exact same thoughts and the exact same beliefs that cause